What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Time to Honda. Here's what we fixing to do today. We still data logging because I'm having fun doing some data logging. I done raised the boost on the Civic all the way up to 14 psi. At least that's where I'm hitting. We got 4 clicks on the Amazon boost controller. So now we fixing to go out, do a little bit more data logging real quick, and come back and see what it look like. Let's dive right into that. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I've been driving the hell out of this car ever since I got it to work again. Make no error, I've been driving the hell out of it. So, but I need to stop because every time I get on it, every time I drive it, you know, I'm going all out. So that's probably not the best thing to be doing. I may need to give it a break. So after the day, I probably won't hit it any, probably won't do too much. But we're gonna do it right now. So let's get this thing started so we can get it warmed up and get that going. Yeah. Okay, folks, we got it data logging.